Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about FedEx Corporation traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name FDX. FedEx is actually a stock that among others was showing very nice significant recovery after the COVID deepest days of 16-17 of March. But not only that, it actually also has shown even further growth with acceleration, and this could be seen here. And now the question is actually what's next for this stock? What's the future? Is it really going to grow further? And where would be the interesting selling and buying points? Well, as you can see here, it actually had a two recovery sequence at the beginning, so you can call it trend one, slightly faster than two. That actually ended at about beginning of July, and then the trend 3, which is an even faster one, started at beginning of July, and it started really not with the classical waves but with a step. So you can see like step up and then almost linear movement towards fitting moving average 20 and trend 3 line, which in this case coincide together. And then again we saw actually at about 9-10 August another step up with two trading sessions, and then again we see movement upwards linearly with actually almost a linear oscillations trying to face trend 3 line. But then what happened today is actually like we had another jump, and then we formed this dark candle, which seems to be a evening star formation where you have a combination of white, dark, and then red. Actually, this means that tomorrow trading session will show what is going to happen further. Is it really going to go up or down? But if you look in general, for development of these two steps, actually like step 1 and step 2, it's obvious that even we have some higher volatilities here, but in general we will need to wait for some correction. And the reason for that is that if you look for development of the steps, so the step 1 RSI levels, we were just at the bottom of overbought situation, but wave 2 we are really like strongly overbought, although it tried to recharge here, and we are again actually entering the overbought levels here, meaning that overall downwards pressure is being formed, and yeah, a stronger correction can be expected here before any further growth. And having said that, if we also look at MACD indexes, we can see that step 1, it was actually a wave up and then slight deceleration, slowly going negative area. Trend 3, it's again up with slightly deceleration, going a small wave negative. So what could happen here is either we will do a fast jump again upwards with a lot of volumes to it, and you can indeed see that for every step starting we had a lot of volumes here. So this might be also like that, and then we will see some correction. You might ask, why couldn't it be another step? Well, it might start forming as a first step, but we are extremely over bought here, meaning that we should have some stronger correction because it's indeed too long time overbought. So it was almost overbought entire month of July. It was strongly overbought in August, and again it's going to overbought situation. So usually it's not common that stocks stay that long in overbought area. Although FedEx is, as a company, a mid-long term is developing okay, but still some correction should be observed. And then if we think to which levels we can observe the correction, of course, it's clear that trend 3 line first here will be a volatility area where it might take a couple of weeks maybe in order to start further correction. But stronger levels would be actually here, which would be the vicinity of moving average 50 and the previous step second candle beginning. So it's this level, and then if this would be reached, another level could be here. And actually between these two levels would be the best buying position, so it will be S1 and S2. And if we reach these, actually everything starting from the vicinity of let's say moving average 50 would be a good buying option, and then if it goes further, of course it will be even better buying option. So that's for FedEx. Interesting entry positions, very safe. It might still maybe just hitting moving average 50 as one line and then further recovery. Very possible as well. That's why we advise to make a first buy here, the blue line. But in general, yeah, always keep some finds for further average down because piercing a little bit below moving average 50 towards moving average 200 is possible. And if any severe news comes, but this only will happen with a strong catalyst, this will be the third defense line. But this is super strong, and it's not given that we will reach there, but just in case, support line 3, this is like super strong buy, but yeah, it's not given wherever goes that these levels anymore. So that's it for FedEx. Very interesting stock though. Some correction might happen, but now you know where to expect what, and you can make an interesting trade here. With this, thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting opportunities for US based stocks.